So all 9 years, we always try to find time and motivation to build an IP, right? And a couple of years back, AI started, right? So AI, and we just playing around, see some opportunities, see how we can help. But again, we have a lot of engineers, so eventually they were using AI a lot to build, and was showing to us and showing to me personally how they could use AI, to help them work. So at the same time, we also how we can differentiate ourselves from for customers when we are delivering something for them. So if we deliver with half of the time from a normal engineer would do, that is going to be great, right? So I think AI fit with the fact that every service company wants some IP, right? And you want to deliver better, you want to differentiate yourself in the market, right? So since we do so many projects, we eventually, and we do a lot of similar projects, right? The more clients we have, the more projects that we do, more similar projects we do. We also had a big library of infrastructure, right? Of infrastructure as a code that we always use. So what if we could have built something that could help first the engineers to develop, to deliver faster, but also to clients, because we had a lot of clients that wants support outside of the time of the business hours, right? And then we always struggle like having people being available for those clients, right? So we spent over a year playing around with AI, see how we could fit those two things, right? We know that AI could generate code. We know that AI could help develop. How could they also help our clients, right? That's when, the concept of an agent AI, an agentic AI, where you could have the AI not only generating code, but also having access to actually build or support our clients, right? Since we have smaller clients that actually don't like a lot of meetings, so it's only Slack communication, right? So how good it would be if they are actually talking to an AI at any time of the day, and discussing about the infrastructure, but not only fixing it, right? How much can we simulate an AI that actually is like one of our engineers? We play around with a lot of times and with a lot of different technologies, models and everything. And we eventually got a really good prototype over a year ago, and we start building our IP. But it got so good, the results are so incredible that we just thought that what if we make a product out of that, right? Because it amazed us so much that people need to see that, right? People need to see this agent working, right? It's like it's doing the same thing. Sometimes, of course, not the same thing, but the same thing sometimes as one of our engineers, and pretty fast.